olive leaves as one of the possible cures for diabetes. What does it mean? Type 2 diabetes can be treated with olive leaf extract. This type of therapy is becoming widespread in the world. Recent studies have shown that it is much more beneficial to use olive leaf extract than in any other form. In this form, they with diabetes of the second type keep blood sugar at a stable level. The author of the study, Dr. Abdrahim Kosajit from Tunisia, notes that olive leaf extract has antioxidant properties and has the potential to treat diabetes. For research, he and a group of scientists throughout the year collected olive leaves in the west of the country. As a result, they proved that the dose of the extract is important. The optimal dosage will be determined after experiments involving animals and humans. Previous studies on cell cultures have shown that this theory deserves further study. Dr. Kosajit explained that he works with doctors who constantly monitor the effectiveness of various medicines. They reported that Tunisians with type 2 diabetes prefer olive leaves, using them in different forms. At the same time, the number of patients who do not get any benefit from this is small. During the study, scientists tested various types of extractors and came to the conclusion that methanol is the most effective of them. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.